Assalamualaikum, selamat pagi. Hari ini kita akan belajar macam mana nak install Android Studio. Okay, first you have to open the browser, any browser that you like. Just type in Android Studio, right? Then from the search results, we can find, you have to find download Android Studio and SDK tools. Okay, make sure it's the correct URL, developer.android.com. Okay, just click there and it will bring you to here. Okay, so Android Studio for the latest version is 4.0.1 as of today. Okay, so download Android Studio, just click here and you can read all this license agreement, then just check I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions. Okay, then you just wait for the download to proceed. Okay, once you have downloaded the Android Studio IDE, okay, you can find it down here and then just click here and it will open up the installer for you. Right, depending on your computer speed, the result will vary. Okay. Alright, we still waiting for the installer to appear. Alright, okay, so welcome screen, just click next. Okay, so it will prompt you to check the components that you want to install. Okay, so we would like to install all of this Android Studio and Android virtual device. Okay, so if you don't have a powerful computer, you can uncheck this. Okay, as you can use the physical device. Example for example is your phone. Alright, next. Okay, select the location, installation location. Next. Okay, start menu folder, install. Okay, and wait for the installation to complete. Right. Okay, once it shows that it is completed, you can click next. Okay, then you can start Android Studio. Okay, and we'll ask you to import setting. If you already have Android Studio installed before, you might want to get the previous setting. But as for clean installation, you just don't import the setting. Alright. Okay, this is your data we share. I don't prefer to share, so I just click on send. Right? Depends on you. You can share and they can use your data to make the Android Studio better. Alright. Alright, so this is the first wizard, Android Studio setup wizard, and then you can choose next. Okay, choose the type of setup. Okay, you can choose a standard as for most user. This is setting is enough. So if you are expert user, you can use the custom setting. Right. Okay, depends on your preferences. You can use dark color, you can use light. So for this purpose, I just use light. Alright, so in order for Android Studio to run and for you to develop Android application, you have to install Android SDK. SDK stands for Software Development Kit. So you just choose the default one. Okay, Android SDK API 30 R version, the latest one. Okay, so okay, you just can install. Next. Okay, once you have completed the downloading components, you have interface like this, and you just click finish. Okay, so you get the welcome to Android Studio windows, small windows. Okay, here you can see the version of the Android Studio 4.0.1. Okay, a few options you can choose here. The first one is start Android, new Android Studio project, open existing Android Studio project, version control, debug or profile the APK import project. Okay, so for now we just concern with the first one lah. We end this, and maybe next time we will use the second one. Okay, so before we start, go to the configure. Here you can see all the configuration that you can set for Android Studio. Okay, let we see the SDK manager first to check that we have downloaded the latest version, Android 10, okay, API level 30. Okay, already been installed. Okay, so SDK tools. Okay, we have the latest SDK tools, Android emulator, SDK platform, and Intel emulator accelerator installer. For this one to work, you have to enable it in your BIOS, even that you use Intel processor, right? So here is all the update side. You can use another one if you have found it in the internet. All right. So second one, you have to check the AVD manager. Okay. Since we do not have one, so let's create a new virtual devices for you to debug your application and run. So click on the button, create virtual device. Okay, here you can choose many device that already have been pre-configured. All right, so basically Google just provide with the Google official phone, right? So there are a few category you can choose: TV. Also, you can choose Wear OS for wearable, tablet, okay, and for Android car. So you just concern with the phone. So you just choose to be safe. You just choose the uh, small resolution phone, and make sure you have the Play Store, so that in the afterwards we can use Play Store for other things. All right, so let me see. You just install the small size. Okay, Nexus 5 is okay. Right. So next. Okay, so the system image you have to download for the API level 30. Okay, just choose here and click download. Okay, accept the agreement. Next. Okay, and wait for the package to be downloaded. Right, it's about 1.1 gig. It will take a few minutes to. Okay, once the installation is finished, you just click finish. Okay, and then you will have the system image for your API level. All right, and then you just click next. Okay, you can just put another name for Nexus API 30 or anything like that. So for this, we just use default. Okay, so this is the resolution 4.95 inches, 180 and 1920 pixels XXHDPI. Okay, start orientation, portrait. Okay, just click next and finish. Alright, so you have your virtual devices. Okay, okay, now we're going to start the Android Studio project. Okay, so here you can choose to create new project and choose a project template. Okay, so you can choose for phone and tablet, Wear OS, TV, automotive, Android things, IoT, and so on. Alright, so just for this tutorial, we just use empty activity, and here you can configure your project. Okay, you just put any names. For example, if you want to create my BMI apps, okay, so the name will reflect here inside your package name. Okay, you can change here com.example.mybmi apps. So for the default is com.example. If you have your own domain, you can use your own domain. Okay, so we just stick for this course, we just stick with the defaults. Okay, so you just use the save location, use the default language. We're going to use Java. Minimum SDK. Okay, you can choose any SDK you would like. I would like to choose API 19 Android 4.4 KitKat. Okay, just click finish. Alright, and then you have the Android Studio IDE. Okay. Okay, you have something like this. Okay,